Look at all of these payments made for each image you create. You can do this an endless number of times since you don't need a camera, you won't have to take any images yourself, you won't need social media followers, and I will provide you a free tool where you can get this done in less than 10 minutes of labor. It is a website that we've never used before, yet it is generating hundreds of thousands of dollars for individuals all around the world. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. So first, there is the website where you can get the work done in less than 10 minutes. This isn't a website where you will make money, but it is a platform where you can get those images done in less than 10 minutes and make hundreds of dollars with a second website where people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars. So before we go to the website, you should know that it has been paying individuals a lot of money for these photographs, and I will teach you how to make them. First and foremost, let's look at how you can have those photos done for free. Simply go to Adobe Spark and put in the address spark.adobe.com. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of various templates that will enable you to simply drag and drop to make professional looking designs. So just go to Adobe Spark and learn more about the different types of designs you may create with this tool. But what can you do with Adobe Spark? Well, you can make social media graphics, you can choose a photo and apply design filters or animations to make it quickly stand out from the crowd, and that is precisely what we will be doing. So they have other things like producing web pages and short movies, but that isn't what we'll be focused on. Instead, we will be focusing on photographs that we can generate in minutes, post immediately, and then be paid using a website that I will show you in a minute. And even if you don't have a laptop or computer, it is still alright. You can still do this with your phone since the app is accessible for both Android and iOS, so even if you're laying in your bed holding your phone, you can still do this. It is going to be very simple. So go to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started Now to establish a free account. You can join up with Google, Facebook, or Apple using your Gmail or Adobe ID. Once you've decided which account you want to use, log in and it will immediately redirect you to a new account. You will be able to browse all of the different templates from this website once you create a brand new Adobe Spark account. You will have all of these different graphic designs that you can create that are pretty much 99% done for you, and you only need to change the text and it becomes your unique design from which you can make hundreds of dollars with a website that I will share with you. You may make Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, presentations, branded pictures, and even custom-sized graphics using the many templates provided. You can also make flyers, ebook covers, and book covers. So let us suppose I want to utilize the flyer design template. I will simply click on it to demonstrate how simple it is. All I have to do now is wait for them to load my design to load my template so I can completely personalize it. All you have to do is double click on the text and enter whatever you want. For example, if I type in "make money online," it will change the image. Now on the right hand side, you can also edit colors, you can alter the text and the size, you can fully customize anything, you can add various shapes, shadows, different animations and stuff. And on the left hand side, you can choose from a variety of templates if you don't like this one. For example, if I like this one, I can click on build from this template and wait for it to load before customizing it. So it is incredibly easy to use since it is already 99% done for you. All you have to do is edit the text and save it to your computer. For example, let us pretend I want to type in "make money online" and then click done. Now it should look like this. If I want to alter the background picture, I can do so by clicking on replace or delete the background or adding additional filters to my background. It is incredibly basic and straightforward to use, and you can make all kinds of different designs using those templates. Once you've finished creating, you can either click the download option right here to directly save this image to your computer in high resolution. You may either do it that way, or if you want to remove the watermark, open up a snipping program or any other snapshot software that you have on your computer and take a screenshot of this image, excluding the watermark at the bottom, and you're good to go. So that is how quick and easy it is to get those designs done using Adobe Spark. It just takes less than 10 minutes because the templates are already 99% complete. Okay, if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. Now let me show you a website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for the designs you produce using Adobe Spark. The website is called designcrowd.com and it will pay you hundreds of dollars for the designs you generate with Adobe Spark. This is at designcrowd.com where you can get paid for all of the different logo designs, business cards, site designs, flyer designs, and graphic designs that you can do in less than 10 minutes using Adobe Spark. Let me demonstrate. If I go to this designers category and choose graphic designers, for example, you will see individuals from all over the world generating money. You will see people from all over the world making hundreds of thousands of dollars. If we take logo designers as an example, we can see that they are making even more money. There is a lot of money to be earned with designcrowd.com, which is a great website that pays a respectable amount of money for designs that can be completed in less than 10 minutes. So if we go to the job section right here, we can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for them. You can create anything from business cards to flyers, posters, postcards, web designs, Facebook designs, YouTube, Twitter designs, and everything else that we saw on the previous website in less than 10 minutes of work with Adobe Spark. So if you want to concentrate on flyer designs, you can click on that and you will be able to see different available jobs where you can submit your design and get paid. I can get paid for one single image that I submit over there for one single design that I can complete in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. I can get paid for this project alone, plus there will be new work coming in all the time, so you will never run out of projects to finish inside all those areas. Of course, 2 jobs aren't much, but that's only under the flyer design portion where you may choose from a variety of sections. You may now go on to the banner ad designs, app designs, icons, Facebook designs, and YouTube designs. To get started with designcrowd.com, simply go to the website and click the Join for Free button right here. Enter your email address, establish a password, and then click on Let's Go. Once you've signed up and log into your new account, you can begin exploring all of these different tasks. When you find one that suits you, simply click on it, submit your design, and wait to see whether you've made any money. And since many of you have asked me how to cash out money from the website, I will explain how it's done. Once you start making money, go to your profile right here, click Profile Settings, and then on the left side, select Payouts, enter your payment details, and that is how you can collect your earnings. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.